2025 Wassce times table is finally out. Now you're welcome to Karma Studios. Here is the best platform for you to get your information about your Wassce, your BC, and then your education. Now, if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to our platform on YouTube because I want to post long videos via there too. So that we are on any update to be a course where the Ghana Education Service and then concerning about your Wassce, your BC, and anything about education. Now click on the plus sign on TikTok so that we are on you can follow us on Facebook too at Salif Abdul. Now, if you want the Wassce 2025 times table, go to our YouTube platform, subscribe to our YouTube platform, and then go to the comment section because I'll be uploading this video on a YouTube. You click on the subscription button, you click on the bell, so the update be on no comment section with the link to a Telegram link, or Telegram link, so the Telegram. And I'm a Wassce times table. If you say I wanted to create a WhatsApp group, so the Wassce 2025 times table, no. But I feel like so we so as a so congested was in because the learning platform is creating, you know, BC and is creating your group 3. I am Wassce almost full. What I say, I wanted to create a community, but I don't want to. It's a stress. So what I say, I also do another job aside the content creation team. I be still the whole time. So me the times table na to a Telegram. It's a person would download now 6 pages in a room. A person who abrabetro o social studies any electives akana. You have to go to a YouTube platform na obo me profile no so say me YouTube link na da obo so a edo ko YouTube na watch video ma uploading this na je say ho comment section wa na wabo Telegram link no so edo ko Telegram na ko download the times table. But don't forget to subscribe it. Mo follow ye and TikTok as you know subscribe to YouTube platform na bibia kama anya sa update bia bia na busu send me nka. Now drop your comment under the comment section because you know I do entertainment news and then whatever is trending on in the country, but I feel like you guys like the education sector because you come a page and so you see say my videos first 3 videos am opinion in it's all about education. So if you want me to be doing videos on education, click it or comment section catch them and say okay education more pay entertainment no so no kindly let me know by commenting on entertainment so that by me the field that manager who now met me I focus on ho maybe kama I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Thanks for joining us today. If this is your first time, follow us on Karma Studios on TikTok, YouTube, so now subscribe to your platform. Thanks for watching. I'm finally out.